Need to move mulch, soil, or rock? Say hello to our secret weapon, the ecoDynamics blower truck. Here's how it works. Our blower truck uses a powerful stream of air to deliver materials from the truck directly to where you need them, quickly and precisely. With our blower truck, we can handle up to 50 cubic meters of material, whether it's lifting materials up to 31 stories for a high-rise building or spreading them over 200 meters across the ground. We've got it covered. With the largest blower fleet in Victoria, we're equipped to handle jobs of any size, big or small. Why choose our blower truck? It's cleaner and more efficient than excavators, bobcats or skid steers. Plus, it's faster, leaving you with no messy cleanup or rectification work. Whether you're working on a major project or creating a special garden, blowing with ecoDynamics can turn your vision into a vibrant reality. Got a project? Give us a call and let's see how we can help. At ecoDynamics, we're here to make your project easier.